Look for the dirtiest building in this row, and
That used to be Swastik Court.
I don't think I needed to go there and tell them that this is a great building. They already knew that. We all were looking at the building from a place where we wanted to make sure that whatever is important in it gets restored. That's rare.
as the murals started coming out, they got even more excited because nobody remembered that. It was all cement, Even I didn't know there were those colors because maybe as a child I didn't really notice.
We cleaned it, and we started to reveal it was not white. It was completely a different color, and this was not like plaster at all. It was something else altogether. And that was, I think, one of the best and the scariest day in the project.
लगा ना वैसा पहला स्टार्टिंग में लगा. हमारे लोग भी वैसा, पेंटर भी लोग बोलते थे, साहब ये क्या करेंगे इसको, ये क्या निकलने वाला अंदर से, ये निकलते समय टूट जाएगा और बाद में उसको आपने को पूरा तोड़ के साफ करके उसके ऊपर प्लास्टर करना पड़ेगा. मैं बोला देखिए अपन क्या करते हैं. मुझे भी वैसा ही लगा पहला, लेकिन वो एकदम बहुत अच्छा, एकदम देखने जैसा बना दिया उन्होंने. कलर के साथ निकल गया वो सब पूरा, मतलब ओरिजिनल कलर जो अंदर था वो सब पूरा वापस बाहर दिख रहा है.
As soon as you say that, oh, the building's only like 40 years old or 80 years old, people don't necessarily give it as much importance, right? Especially in a country like India, where we have such an ancient civilization. Something that's just 85 years old doesn't necessarily even qualify as heritage. It's not that old. It looks like any other building you will see in the city. So why is it so important?
Look for the dirtiest building in this row, and
That used to be Swastik Court.
now it is different. Look for the best
Building in the row, and that is Swastik Court.